She's hanging up there to the side of the fire, and her place it is cozy and dry. The smile on her face, sure I always admire, every time that she catches my eye. She was ever my friend since the day we first met. She never was stingy nor small, and I'll stick to her close till we come to the end. My old fiddle up there on the wall. In sweet golden memories I see again all the wonderful times that we had. It was lovely indeed the way that you'd come and cheer up the lonely and sad. I think of the night, oh what pleasure was there at Corny the creel maker's ball. Sure you danced the rheumatics clean out of their bones. Lie and fiddle up there on the wall. Oh, it's time I was lifting you down off the nailie and starting you off on a tour. Now what would you fancy? Oh, that's what you want, the Blackbird and Eileen Aroon. But of course we'll have jigs and some hornpipes too, and the coolin' the best of them all.